Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Salam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, mathematics exercise 4C for New Candy Mathematics Book 2, Class 7 abstract students, and exercise 11C for New Syllabus Mathematics D1 for A level, O level students, and question number 10. Three of the exterior angles of n-sided polygon. So students, three exterior angles, or we can write exterior angles is equal to 50 degree each. Three exterior angles are 50 degree each. And students, two interior angles are 127 and 135, whereas rest of the angles except these five angles each is equal to 173 degree. So students, each interior angle except these five angles is, or we can write as rest of the angles, rest of interior angles is equal to 173 degree, and we have to find the value of n. So students, this question is a little bit tricky. So first you have to understand that what is the relation of interior and exterior angle. So students, let's suppose this is a closed figure. If I produce this side, this is an exterior angle and it is an interior angle. And students, sum of these two angles is always 180 degree because it is a straight line. In the same way, if I produce this side, this angle is interior angle, whereas this angle is exterior angle. So A1, A and A2 both are exterior angles, and if I produce this side, then this A3 is also an exterior angle, and if I produce this side, it is also an exterior angle. So students, the relation of exterior and interior angle is the sum of interior and exterior angle is always 180 degree. So students, if interior angle is 127 degree, then the exterior angle will be 180 minus 127, and if the interior angle is 135 degree, then exterior angle will be equal to 180 minus 135 degree, and rest of the interior angles, each angle is equal to 173 degree. So students, rest of the interior angle will be equal to 180 minus 173 degrees. So keep in mind all these conditions so that you can find the n easily. Again, I am students repeating it. The relation of interior and exterior angle is the sum of interior and exterior angle is equal to 180 degree. And if two interior angles are 127 and 135, with the help of 127 and 135, we can easily find the exterior angles. And students, if rest of the angles are n minus 5, because 5 angles are given, n minus 5, each interior angle is 173 degree. So students, n minus 5 exterior angle will be 180 minus 173 degree, and sum of exterior angle is always 180 degrees. So we can use this formula, as well as with the help of this 50 degree each we can find interior angle. So in each interior angle, each interior angles will be 130 degree each, because exterior angle is 50 degree and interior angle will be 180 minus 50, and that will become 130 degree. So students, we can apply both the formulas, but it is little bit easy to use the formula of exterior angle, and we will find the exterior angle by subtracting interior angles from 180 degree. So it is easy to find n by using exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. So students, we will write sum of exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. So students, three exterior angles each is 50 degree. So we will write it is as 50 plus 50 plus 50, or it is written as 3 into 50 degree. I mean to say these three each angles are 50 degree. So 50 degree will be summed up with 3. And students, then one exterior angle is 127. So if I subtract 127 from 180, it will be exterior angle 180 degree minus 173 degree. This angle is an exterior angle, plus next exterior angle will be 180 degree minus 135 degree. And students, rest of the exterior angles, that will be plus n minus 5, because 5 exterior angles are given. So n minus 5 into 180 minus 180 degree minus 173 degree, because 173 is interior angle, and if we want to find exterior angle, then we have to subtract 173 from 180 degree, and all the sum of exterior angle is always 360 degree. So students, we will sum up, or we will simplify all the terms. When 3 will multiply with 50 degree, we will have 150 degree, plus when 173, not 173 students, 127, it is 127. So when we subtract 127 degree from 180 degree, 127 is subtracted from 180 degree, and it will be 53 degree. And students, when we sum up, when we subtract 135 from 180 degree, we will have 45 degree. And students, plus n minus 5 is written as it is, because we can't subtract 5 from n. These two terms are unlike terms. And when we subtract 173 from 180 degree, we will have 7 degree is equal to 360 degree. Now students, when we sum up 150 plus 53, we will have 203 degree plus 45, and it will become 248 degree. So 248 degree plus, when 7 multiply with n, we will have 7 degree n minus 35 degree is equal to 360 degree. So students, when we subtract 35 from 248, so 5 will be subtracted from 8, and we will have 3. When 3 is subtracted from 4, we will have 1, and it will be 213 degree plus 7 degree n is equal to 360 degree. And students, 213 is plus on left side. When we transfer it to the other side, it will become minus. So 7 degree n is equal to 360 degree minus 213 degree. Now we will subtract 213 from 360. 3 will be subtracted from 10, and we will have 7. 1 is taken carry from 6. So here is 5. 5 minus 1 mean 4. And students, when we subtract 2 from 3, we will have 1. It will be 147 degree is equal to 7 degree, and degree will be cancelled with degree. And 7 is multiplying with n. When we transfer it to other side, it will divide, and n will become 147 over 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, and 7 ones are 7. So the value of n is 21. So students, the number of sides of this polygon is 21. And students, it is question number 10 of exercise 4C for class 7 abstract students, and exercise 11C for new syllabus mathematics D1 for A level O level students. And students, after solving this question, we will find it out that the number of sides in this polygon is 21. So students, it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time, and have a good day.